Figure skate jig.
The toe pick always goes to the left.
To the left.
Like that. And you set it on the jig like this. Run your hand underneath to make sure that the blade is projecting past the jig. Some of our jigs, you'll notice, has been ground off down here because somebody had the blade like that and took off a bunch of the jig, okay?
All right.
It just has to project some. Secondly, that when it's cranked up, and that's a little bit too tight. Once it's set for this width of blade, I'm not going to mess with this anymore. But if you're doing a run of skates, you don't want to be cranking this up and squeezing it for 30 or 40 skates. You just, a nice gentle one that closes it. You don't want to ever have any part of the boot touch the jig.
Okay.
If you do, then the boot is basically not level. It's only come up part way. And so the blade may not be level.
Okay.
But
are these jigs, do you buy special ones for figure skates, or they're the same ones that you just got? Okay. All right.
And the jigs are, the up and down is here. When, and I'll show you how you use that. These basically take these two ends here and move them up and down. This one in here, the third one, tips it like that.
Okay.
And if a person has been using this before and they've cranked that thing up or down or something like that, I don't pay any attention to that, because if you think about it, if it cranked the jig down like this, all that means is that you have to basically make the adjustment with the other two to get it onto the curve of the of the stone, so that you got the level edges.
Okay. All right.
This is another secret, and I'm the one who at this rink pioneered this. They say on your finishing your last pass, put the oil on. You know, I do it for every group of passes.
Okay. Every group.
Every group.
Okay.
If it's going to be 8 or 10 or 12 or whatever, I put a little oil on it. And what that does is it makes a mark on the stone. And when I'm going to sharpen or redress the stone, and I'll take all that oil off.
Okay.
As an indicator, yeah. It doesn't go in very far.
Okay. So every pass you're going to put oil on it?
Not every pass, just every group of passes.
Is a group of pass, okay. Right. And a group of pass could be 2 or 3?
Very rarely.
Okay.
For example, a rental skate is going to have, for these guys here, depending on the softness of the steel, if it's hard steel, 10 passes max. If it's soft steel, 8. In other words, I've got to achieve what I want to achieve.
And you're going to know if it's hard steel, because when you run it, you're going to see the sparks. If you don't see the sparks,
that's hard.
It's hard steel. If you see the sparks, it's soft steel. Okay.
Right, and the more pressure you put on the soft steel, the more you're eating that up, wasting it.
Okay.
That's another reason why the gentle passes are good. You might be able to achieve in 5 or 6 passes with soft steel what you can achieve with 10 and hard.
Okay.
Super hard steel, like there's two pairs of light speed 3s over there. High carbon interchangeable hockey blades. 30 passes max.
That's killing your stone though, right?
Not that one.
Right.
Not that one.
That purple one is made of what? I'm sorry.
Special names and special composites.
But it's purple. Just look for the purple.
It's the most recent purple one, right?
Okay.
These two guys love the purple stone. And they've used it. I haven't used it yet.
Okay.